Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra Hardware 46015 keyed sash lock. Two components. Let's do the latch first, or the strike, I guess. Brass material. Pardon me, it's not brass material. It's a... I'm not sure what the material that this is made of, but it's not metallic. Might be a cast aluminum with a brass finish on it. It's a bit heavy for aluminum, however. It's not steel, or at least it's non-ferrous. It's got some weight to it, though, there's no doubt. They weigh about 1/3 of a pound each, something in that range. Then here's the business end of it. That's the side that you're presented with, obviously. It's in the unlocked position now, clearly. Unlocked, and then of course locked. Okay. These are available only keyed alike, so they're all going to be keyed alike. 2 keys per lock is what you're going to get. You'll get a bag of screws and a complimentary finish. You can obviously remove the key in either the locked or unlocked position. Okay. Seems like a sturdy sort of lock, no doubt. People buy these obviously to control who's opening and closing windows, especially little children. Want to be able to control little children doing that, especially, well, in all instances when you've got a window. I have sold these to people who run schools, and they put these on their classroom doors so that no one can open the windows short of the person who has the key. That sort of situation. Let's get a tape measure. The width of that base is 2.5. The depth on this looks like it's about an overall of about 1 1/8 maybe. Projection, just over 1 inch, 1 1/8. The strike looks like it's about 2 13/16 overall. Width, about 5/8. Height, about 7/8. Certainly a nice quality item. There's a link below this video to the instructions. Just a short little doodad, no pictures. Close your sash. Position the strike at the center of the bottom rail of the upper sash. Position the strike unit at the center of the bottom rail. So step 2 is position the strike unit at the center of the bottom rail of the upper sash. So on your upper sash, this is where you're going to mount the strike unit. Okay. Then on the center of the top rail of the lower sash is where you're going to install this. Okay, unlocked position, so that this will be able to rise up past that sort of situation. Okay, nice quality item by Ultra, no doubt about it. If you have any questions on the Ultra Hardware 46015 key-operated window lock and a brass finish or any other Ultra Hardware product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.